How to transfer money from PayPal to debit card. So hello guys, so welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your wallet or your balance. After that, click on transfer and you should be able to see here in our transfer option our different options. For me, as you can see, I have a debit card and bank option over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus icon over here on the top right, since typically there's no available option over here. So click on that and simply select credit card or bank account. So it depends on what type of card that you have. Debit card also works. So if you click on credit card, you could also enter the information over here. Similarly, for bank, you could also do the same thing where you will be able to add or connect your bank account. So those are the different ways for you to be able to connect your card. It doesn't really matter if it was uh, debit card. So simply select your banks. As you can see here, I have my bank over here, but this is a debit card. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.